Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in today's particular video we are going to talk about the issues with the iPhone 12 mini and why it failed, as much as Apple have to cut out the production of the iPhone 12 mini by 70%. So let's get started. So one of the reasons guys why the iPhone 12 mini failed is because of the huge notch. As you can see, this notch is way much more bigger compared to other iPhones. So I don't have any issues because I've been using this particular phone for about 5 months, and to my normal eyes this notch looks fine and okay. But for a person who's coming from the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the iPhone notch for the mini is going to look huge. Also, one more reason why the iPhone 12 mini failed is because of the display size guys. As you all know, most of the people who purchase this particular phone, they already know that they want a smaller display phone, so they go for it. But certain cases a person might not visualize that how small is this particular display. In my particular opinion, it is fine. I would say it is just fine just to watch YouTube videos, but just in case if you are playing any games and all, this particular notch is not fine. So guys, one of the major issues of the iPhone 12 mini in my particular case scenario is the battery life. The battery life is sort of a tiny on this. This is just around 2200 milliamp hour battery. Now if you just consider this phone for around 70,000, which is available in India, and around $700 I guess in US, and if you consider for this particular price, there are phones like the iPhone 11 which are having a better battery life compared to this. And mind you guys, I also have used the iPhone 11 and the battery life is much more better on the iPhone 11 compared to the 12 mini. So one of the reasons people might not like it is the lower battery on the iPhone 12 mini. I don't think so it is a deal breaker, because definitely people who can buy the iPhone 12 mini can also buy a wireless charger and keep it frequently topped up to around 100 or 80%. In my particular case scenario, I do the same guys. So I just keep it on the wireless charger and it charges the phone. So I roughly charge around 2 to 3 times. One more issue which I want to just bring it up about the iPhone 12 mini is the cramped keyboard. The keyboard is, for some people, is very small. Okay, now I don't have a gigantic hands guys, so in my case it is just working fine. But most of the people whom I handled this particular phone, they all said they are having difficulty in typing on this particular keyboard. Another reason why the iPhone 12 mini is a fail guys, because of the sales. So if you can consider the iPhone 12 lineup, I think the entire sales of the iPhone 12 mini is just around 6%. I mean, people would rather buy iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is almost twice the price of this particular phone, rather than going for the 12 mini when they have almost the same camera setup guys. So I think the poor sale is one of the reasons this phone feels like a fail. Another issue with the iPhone 12 mini is the wireless charging guys. So I had a lot of issues with the wireless charging on this particular phone because it was not getting aligned and it was not charging properly. So very few people are going to face it, and there are some other kind of wireless chargers which are available which solves the issue. I'll be putting them in the description, so please check out the description for the particular video. Another issue with the iPhone 12 mini is the green tint issue. So most of the people are finding a sort of a greenish tint when maybe the brightness is less or high. And in my particular case scenario, I did not find any particular issue. So if you all are finding this particular issue for your iPhone 12 mini, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel because there is always something new to learn on Creative Soft. Also do check out these cool videos which we have. Let us know in the comments below what you think, what are your opinions about this particular topic. And again, thanks a lot guys for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.